Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook rice in an Aroma Rice Cooker. First, measure your rice using the provided cup. 1 cup of uncooked rice typically yields about 3 cups cooked. Next, rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear, removing excess starch. Then, place the rinsed rice into the inner pot of your aroma cooker. Finally, add the appropriate amount of water, usually a 1-to-1 ratio for white rice, but check your rice type for specifics. Once your rice and water are in the inner pot, carefully place it into the main unit of your Aroma Rice Cooker. Make sure the pot is seated correctly. Close the lid securely to trap steam and ensure even cooking. Now, select the correct cooking function, for example, white rice or brown rice. Finally, press the start button and the cooker will begin its cycle, indicated by a light. After the cooking cycle finishes, your Aroma Rice Cooker will typically switch to a warm setting. It's crucial to let the rice rest for about 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly textured grains. Do not open the lid during this time. Once rested, open the lid and use the provided rice paddle to gently fluff the rice before serving. Enjoy your delicious, fluffy rice. For consistently perfect rice, always use the measuring cup that came with your aroma cooker, as it's calibrated for the unit. Consult your specific model's manual for precise water-to-rice ratios, especially for different rice varieties. Never fill the inner pot beyond its maximum capacity line, typically 10 cups, to prevent overflow. Finally, remember to clean the inner pot and lid thoroughly after each use to maintain hygiene and cooker longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.